Ogene group that was supposed to have come here today to look at the time. The police were harassing everybody and we just wanted to give us a little visit, right? We really need to remember today as the day you came to support somebody who has been kidnapped from Kenya from federal government. So that people can also watch that we came here today and maybe later we'll be able to find our way to support from all of us. This is your Ogene group, so take it away, guys.